Testing in progress.
At your body decide, abisala chingadil. So let's prove this. 0 is less than 1 and 0 is greater than -1. So galing siya dito. Kasi ito na lang hindi na-prove. Ito kasi na-prove ko sa class. This. Proven sa class. Pinrove sa seedwork. Ito, pinrove sa class. Ito, halos same lang siya ng proof na to. So, yeah. So, doon tayo sa tatlong wali. Yung, yeah. Kasi medyo exciting still. Exciting. So, sige. Prove natin 0 less than 1 and 0 is greater than ano nga ba yun? Ano yung sabi? Okay, 0 is greater than -1. So, I will prove this by contradiction. So, gawin natin by contradiction kasi why not? Kasi di ko siya maisipan ng direct. Ayun lang. So, kung contradiction yun, yung gagawin is let talaga, let 0 be greater than or equal to 1. Pero, we know that 0 is not equal to 1, but 0 is not equal to 1 kasi yung 0 yung additive identity. Ay, yung additive identity, it's unique. So, yung 1 is not equal to 0. So, ang natitira is, so by trichotomy action, then, by trichotomy action, 0 is greater than 1. But this implies kung 0 is greater than 1, this implies then 0 minus 1 is into positive number. So, ano siya? Ano yun? Andito. Ito. Yeah. Or ito pala. Parehas lang naman siya. Ayun guys, so meron kang 0 minus 1 is in positive numbers, pero this is just the same as saying, then if, and only if, -1 is positive. So, okay, so anong nangyari dyan? Okay, so recap, para lang baka kasi medyo overwhelming. So, anong nangyari is, ito yung gusto mong i-prove, this. Pero we will prove this by contradiction. So, inenegate mo yung less than. So, maging greater than or equal to. Pero, hindi yung 0 not equal siya sa 1 kasi yung 0 yung additive identity. So, yung 1, hindi naman siya additive identity. So, yung trichotomy action, mayroon tatlong case na greater than, equal, or less than. So, kung hindi siya greater than, kung hindi siya less than, kasi di ba hindi, inassume mo hindi siya less than, hindi rin siya equal, then greater than na lang natitirang case. Tapos using yung definition ng greater than, this is just saying 0 minus 1 ay positive. Or in short, yung -1, positive. So, gagamitin natin yung P2 next. So, ano yung P2? So, sinasabi ng P2, kung meron kang positive, so yung product nila ay positive din. So andito yun eh. E2, where is it? Ito. If A and B are positive numbers, then yung sum nila ay positive and yung product din nila is positive. So what I will do, using P2, since -1 is positive in this case, -1 times -1 is positive. Kasi this is by P2, using P2. Pero ano ba si -1 times -1? So meron pa tayong isang theorem. If you recall, meron tayong wait lang. Ayun, mayroon tayong isang theorem sa previous slide. Asan nga yun? 155. Wait lang guys. Isa tayong theorem eh. No, not this. Pakita ko lang para justified talaga. Para justified yung ating argument. To. Yung negative times negative is just this. So, using that theorem, the theorem, -1 times -1 is 1, which is a member of positive. So, So, ang establish mo is, well, so -1 times -1 is a member of E, positive. So, ang nakuha mo from that is to, dalawa. Yung -1 daw ay positive and 1 is positive. Pero this contradicts P1. Kasi sinasabi ng P1, exactly 1. Ito, for any A in R, exactly one of the following holds. So, A is in P or -A is in P. Pero ang napakita mo dito is and. So, dalawa silang nag-hold at the same time. So, nakakontradict yung P1. So, kung contradict si P1, then mali to assumption mo. Kasi diba, ito yung pinaka-inassume mo. So, what will happen is that 0 is less than 1. So, ayun, yun yun. Therefore, 0 is less than 1. And ayun, tapos na. Actually, tapos na siya. So, for the second part, so yung second part naman is yung 0 is greater than -1. Same principle, contradiction. Assume mo to, so negate mo yung greater than, magiging less than or equal to, ay dapat -1 to. Wait, may error dyan. Yan. Okay, so 0 is less than greater or equal to -1, pero yung 0 hindi siya -1 kasi nga hindi additive identity yan. So by the dichotomy axiom, ang natitirang case is 0 is less than 1. Pero this is less than -1. May mali na naman ako. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so kung meron kang zero is less than -1, so gamitin mo yung definition ng less than. So -1 ay positive. So ibig sabihin -1 minus zero. Sige, para distinct, ay para clear. -1 minus zero is in positive or simply -1 is in positive. So using P2, kung -1 daw ay positive, then yung product niya sa sarili niya is positive. -1 times -1 is positive. And by the theorem kanina, -1 times -1 is just 1. And in P. So hence, same lang ng argument. So similarly, magka-contradict siya sa P1, kaya mali yung initial assumption mo. Kaya yung may contradiction, ito yung tama. So, tapos yung, ano ba ito? 5? Number 5 ba ito? Tapos yung 5. Yeah, 5. So, punta tayo sa 6. So, yung 6, yeah, actually, contradiction din yung 6. Yung gagamitin ko. Pero sige. Ano nga yun? Ano yun? If A is greater than 0, A is greater than 0 implies 1 over A is greater than 0. So, basically, sinasabi niyan, kapag mayroon ka daw positive number, tapos na-reciprocate mo, yung reciprocal is positive pa din. So, yun ang sinasabi niya. So, yeah. So, ba't naman ang slide? Right, yan. Okay. So, ito yung prove natin. And same theory, gagawin ko is contradiction. So, assume mo yung negation. So, kung magka-contradict siya, then assume mo 1 over A is less than or equal to. So, assume 1 over A is less than or equal to, wait, I'll type is, assume, ang hirap pala pag ano, guys. Dapat ano kasi, tinatype ko na siya. Pero, ang pangit kasi minsan nakakalimutan ko. And it is 0. So, ayun yung inassume natin by contradiction. Assume 1 over A is less than or equal to 0. So, ang gagawin ko, take note guys, yung A mo by assumption is not 0 kasi strict yung greater than. So, never mag-0 yung A. So, by M4, M4, mayroon siyang multiplicative inverse. M4, mayroon siya kasi for all A na hindi 0, mayroon siyang multiplicative inverse. So, mag-exist si A inverse, A multiplicative inverse. Since A is greater than 0, there exists na A negative 1, there exists A negative 1. So, kasi non-zero si A. So, ang gagawin ko, guys, so, inassume ko to, di ba? Wait lang. Ito na. Ito na yung magic. Begin on. Okay. Okay. So, gagawin ko, ita-times ko. So, nag-sure ka. Sure ka nag-exist to, yung A negative 1. So, ita-times ko yan both sides. So, I will multiply it both sides. Wait lang. Ang hirap ng ganitong time. Then I'll use, ano gagamitin ko? Division. Gagamitin ko yung definition ng division. Ay, mali. Wait lang. Ang ita-times ko pala both sides ay hindi A negative 1, kundi A. Yeah, A. Wait lang. Ano nangyari dito? Pag nagkaganto yung ano? Wait lang. What happened, pala? Ano nangyari? Wait lang, ba't nagkaganto yung formatting? Okay. Ayan. Okay, okay. Mhm, mhm, mhm. Ay, wait lang. Okay, tama pala. Pero by division, yung A negative, yung 1 over A, this is just equal to, ano nga yung 1 over A by division? This is just AA negative 1. So AA negative 1, LEQ, 0. Bakit 0? Kasi diba, A times 0 is 0. So, andito yan. Ito yun. Saan yan? Sa top. So, yun lang yan. Kaya ka nagka-0 dyan. And then, pero yung A times A negative 1, this is just 1. 1 lang yan kasi 1 lang yan, guys. 1 is less than or equal to 0, which is a contradiction. Sige, ulit, recap natin kasi ang daming commercial. Anyway, so, gagawin ko, ito yung prove mo, di ba? This. So, assume mo yung contradiction. So, yung 1 over A is less than or equal to 0. Yung 1 over A, sure ka, nag-exist yan kasi A yung greater than 0, so hindi siya magiging undefined. Tapos, moreover, since A is greater than zero, sure ka nag-exist yung A inverse, yung A multiplicative inverse. Tapos, use as A, gamitin mo assumption 1 over A less than zero. Mag-times ka both sides ng A. Since A is positive, hindi mababago yung inequality. So, ito yun, ito yun. Ito, yung 3. Hindi mababago yung inequality kasi A is positive, A is greater than zero, so same inequality. By definition of division, yung 1 over A is just A inverse, A multiplicative inverse, which is nag-exist kasi yung A mo is non-zero. Ngayon, yung AA inverse, this is just 1 by M3, M4, M4. So 1, 1 is less than or equal to 0, which is contradiction nung prove, yung pinug natin kanina. Yung contradict nito. So we have, eto pala. Ito yung kino-contradict niya. So we have a contradiction. Therefore, by contradiction, 1 over A is greater than 0. And we're done. So tapos tayo sa 6. Ngayon, punta tayo sa last 7. If, so 7. 0 less than AB implies 0 at 1 dB at 1 over A. Okay. Okay. So dito, okay. So mayroon kang two-part inequality. Ito yung assumption mo. Ang want to show mo is ito. So dapat to yan. Pero, asawa ni. Pero ang maganda dyan kasi, di ba, yung B greater than 0. So yung theorem kanina, since B is greater than 0, yung 1 over B greater than na siya sa 0. So okay na to. Okay na tong part na to. Yung 1 over A is greater than 0 din kasi yung A is greater than 0. Since A is greater than 0, then 1 over A is greater than 0. So ang natitira na lang is, ang kailangan mo lang ipakita is ito. Yung 1 over B is less than 1 over A. Pero sige, sulat natin ng maayos para complete. So since A is greater than 0 and B is greater than 0, by the theorem earlier, 1 over A, 1 over A is greater than 0 and 1 over B is greater than 0 then. What is left to show is 1 over B is less than 1 over A. So yan na lang yung natitira natin kailangan ipakita. At nawawala siya. Ayan. So since A is greater than 0, B is greater than 0, by the theorem earlier, which is ito yun. Then yung 1 over A is greater than 0 and 1 over B is greater than 0. So kailangan mo lang ipakita is ito. Itong part na to. So kagamit ito contradiction. So assume na hindi yan totoo. So ang kailangan is ito. Yung mapakita ko. Ito yung assume ko pala. Yung negation. Kasi magka-prove tayo by contradiction. Ayan. So mag-assume tayo by contradiction. So 1 over B is that greater or equal to 1 over A. Then, so kung may ganyan ka, then 1 over B minus 1 over A is positive. So positive yan kasi definition ng less than ay ng greater than. So yung order. So kasi kung greater than to, edi pag minus mo to, positive. Positive yung 1 over B minus 1 over A. Tapos perform mo lang LCD. So LCD, proven naman yan, ito yun. So by LCD, so syempre, shook ka lang dyan. Just, ang pag inano mo yan, A minus B over AB is positive. Pero this is just equal to saying na A minus B times 1 over AB is positive. So, pinaghiwalay ko lang, guys. Wait lang. It's loading. Ayan. So, yung pag minus mo yan, ito yon magiging ganito. A minus B over AB is positive. Or, this is, let's say, A minus B times 1 over AB is positive. Ngayon, sure ka, itong part na to, ah, sure ka, yung 1 over AB, yung 1 over AB ay positive. Bakit siya positive? A is greater than 0, B is greater than 0. So, positive times positive is positive. Tapos, using yung theorem kanina, ay yung 1 over AB, so yung reciprocal niyan is positive. So, sure ka. So, yung 1 over AB dyan is positive. 1 over AB is positive. Pero itong A minus B, sure ka bang positive? So, syempre, ang feeling ko, hindi. Bakit hindi? Kasi dahil sa assumption na to, A is less than B. This is just saying, ang equal niyan is B minus A is positive. Diba? Kasi inassume mo yung A is less than B. Pero, ang nandito is A minus B. Kung totoo yung A minus B times 1 over AB positive, dapat si A minus B ay positive. dapat positive si A minus B. Pero it just so happen na positive din si B minus A. So that, dyan yung contradiction. Okay, nagets niyo ba? Sige, type natin. So we are sure that 1 over AB is positive. And this also implies A minus B is positive. However, however, B minus A is also positive. And B minus A, this is equal sa negative ng A minus B. Agree? Agree? Yes, agree. Tama, dapat na. Kasi pag dinisubit mo yung negative dyan, magiging negative A plus B. So, equal to. So, meron kang A minus B, positive, tapos meron kang negative ng A minus B ay positive. Contradicting siya sa P1. Kasi sabi ng P1, dapat exactly one of whole. So, A is P or negative A is in P. Pero nandito is A minus B is in P, tapos yung negative ng A minus B is in P. So, which contradicts P1. Which contradicts P1. Therefore, ang totoo niyan is, therefore, 1 over D is less than 1 over A. So, mali yung assumption na to kasi nagkaroon ka ng contradiction. So, therefore, yung totoo is ito. And that's it. We're done. Yay! Tapos na.